Today I'll show you how to connect Alexa with ILIFE Robot. Before starting this step, please make sure that your robot is connected to ILIFE Home app. Go to Amazon Alexa app, click on More at the bottom corner, then click on Skills and Games. Search ILIFE Home here and click on the first result. Click on Enable to Use, then browser will open. Here you have to provide the credential of ILIFE Home app. Enter the password and click on Confirm to login. Click on Close. Congrats, you have successfully connected Alexa with ILIFE Robot. Alexa, turn on ILIFE Robot.
Okay. All playing systems.
Alexa, turn off ILIFE Robot.